If flexibility is the most important aspect in your determination for which mixer is right for you, I would say hands down a removable bowl mixer gives you the most flexibility. And with a removable bowl, you're not stuck with a self-tilting bowl that can only discharge as it was manufactured, to the left or to the right. With a self-tilting mixer, you are fixed with how that tilter was manufactured. It's either discharging left or discharging right at a certain height. There are bowl lifts that can do left, right, and even multiple heights. So if you can combine that with your removable mixer, you're really adding a whole lot of flexibility to your growing production, your facility changes, you move to a bigger facility or one that doesn't have the same layout as the previous one. These removable bowls and combined with the bowl lifts really kind of allow you to have a lot more freedom to operate in what works best for you. If you have any questions or need help trying to figure out which spiral mixer is right for you, please don't hesitate to reach out to our experienced team here at Erika Baking Equipment.